Power snacks. Do you start to drag in the middle of the day, or need a snack to get you through the evening? Try these 5 power snacks ideas for a quick pick-me-up. Stay tuned. 1. Mixed nuts. Nuts are an excellent source of vitamin E, which is good news for your heart. They are high in good fats that offer a great boost of energy. Just be careful not to eat too many, as they are high in calories too. Aim for about a 1/4 cup. 2. Raisins. Raisins are cholesterol-free, low in sodium, and totally fat-free. They provide many necessary vitamins and minerals, including iron, potassium, calcium, and certain B vitamins. They are a good source of fiber and rich in antioxidants. They are also easily digested, for quick energy. A 1/4 cup of sun-dried raisins is about 130 calories and the perfect portion for a snack. Try mixing raisins, mixed nuts, and a few other foods such as Cheerios for a great take-along. 3. Milk. Milk contains 9 essential nutrients, including calcium, vitamins A, D, and B12, protein, potassium, riboflavin, niacin, and phosphorus. This powerful package of nutrients does more than just build strong bones. 8 ounces of low-fat chocolate milk will give you the sugar you need for energy, and the protein to sustain it. 4. Yogurt. Yogurt is an outstanding source of protein, calcium, potassium, phosphorus, vitamins B6, B12, niacin, and folic acid. It contains just as much potassium as a banana does. This special dairy product contains a lot of friendly bacteria that benefit your health tremendously. 5. Fruit. Go for fruits that are high in natural sugar without the fat. Grapes, bananas, cantaloupe, and watermelon are all good choices. These fruits supply the burst of energy you need without the fat you don't need. Cut up some pieces of fruit to add to your yogurt for a nutritiously packed afternoon goodie. Mix up your snacks a bit so that you never get bored. Try new fruits, yogurts, and nuts often. Try out different power snacks together to reap the benefits of a diverse diet. You can truly treat yourself without feeling sinful. Subscribe, like, comment, and turn on the notification bell for more content like this one.